Today we are going to see about Face app review. Okay, first when you have opened the Face app, it will display like the screen. They has given two types: the faces from your gallery and celeb's face. First, I will select celeb's face and search for Virat Kohli's face. I have found a face which should look right. That would be the best example to show you. First it will process the image, then it will show different options in the scroll bar. First, the original image, when he has smiled he will be like this, when he has rolled will be like this, if he was aimed then he will be like this. And in Hollywood, and one of the disadvantages of this app is it plays many advertisements in between our searches and applying filtrations. Hitman glasses, mustache, pan, etc. They have given some of the filtrations. And also female and female too. They have given the filtration. And also male filtration. It will change our face automatically. Then they have given collages and views. That means 2 images and 4 images. First I will select 4 images and then I will choose first hitman, observe, and then I will choose smiling. Then you can easily download this with the help of given icon right top side. And then you can also share this to your friends and social medias. Then secondly I will search for the popular searches. First I will select Salman Khan. I will click this image and it will process for few seconds. After the process there will be some of the options given. I will choose line one by one. If you like this video, subscribe now and don't forget to press the bell button.
Do you want to travel with us for many light years? Then subscribe now.